Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the topic computer arithmetic. Arithmetic instructions in digital computers manipulate the data to produce the necessary results for the solution of computational problems. In this video we are going to see about addition and subtraction operation is performed. So we have arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So all these arithmetic instructions or operations can be executed in digital computers by using arithmetic processor. So this arithmetic processor is a part of the processor unit that executes the arithmetic operations. Here we'll see how the addition and subtraction operations are performed in signed magnitude data. So whenever the addition has to be performed, it's very simple, A plus B. But whenever we want to perform the subtraction operation, we have to calculate the complement operation and we have to know the complement as well as comparison. That means there is a possibility of A is greater than B, A is less than B or A is equals to B. And whenever we want to calculate the A minus B, we have to calculate the B's complement, 2's complement and then plus 1. So now we'll see the table, different operations which are performed for signed magnitude. So operation, add magnitudes, subtract magnitude, so whenever we want to do subtraction, we have three conditions: when A is greater than B, when A is less than B and when A is equals to B. So the operations which are performed can be plus or minus. So here we'll see plus A plus B and next plus A plus minus B plus A minus A plus B minus A plus minus B. So these four are the different combinations for plus. And coming to the minus, plus A minus plus B plus A minus B minus A minus plus B minus A minus of minus B. So these four are for plus operations and these four are for minus operations. So these are the 8 different combinations for performing. Now we are going to fill this. What are the operations which are performed? Whether we are going to perform the add or subtract. So whenever a subtract operation is there, so at which condition what are the operations and what is the sign. So coming to first one, A plus B. So plus A plus B, which is nothing but A plus B. Now the sign is plus, as these two signs are plus. And coming to the plus A plus minus B. Plus A plus minus B. So here one is minus, other one is plus. So the operation which is performed is A subtract. So first condition, A is greater than B. First we will consider A minus B, and sign, as A is greater than B, the sign of A is plus. So here plus. And when A is less than B, that means B is greater. So B minus A. And the sign of B is minus. So here minus. And when A is equals to B, we are going to get A minus B. So A minus B is 0. So in order to avoid the minus 0 condition, we are going to give plus. And the third one is minus A plus B. And here also minus operation will be performed. So first A minus B, for A is greater than B, and the sign of A is minus, so minus, and here B minus A, the sign of B is plus, plus, and here plus A minus B. And the next one is, see here, minus A minus B. So we are going to perform A plus B, and the sign is minus. And A plus B minus, plus A minus plus B. So we are going to, the operation which is performed is A minus B. As A is greater, plus. And here B minus A. Minus into plus is minus. So here we are going to get minus. And this one is plus A minus B. And here plus A minus of minus B. So plus A minus into minus is plus B. So A plus B. And here the condition, so here is plus. The sign is plus. Next, here minus A plus of plus B, minus of plus B. So minus into plus is minus. Minus A minus B. So A plus B minus. And here minus A minus B, as the sign of A is minus. B minus A, minus into minus is plus, and here A minus B plus. So this is the different, for different operations, combinations, these are all the different possibilities of executing, whether we can execute the, whether add magnitude or subtract magnitude. And coming to the implementation. So hardware implementation of signed magnitude, addition and subtraction. So we need two resistors. So here the two resistors are, for example, A resistor and B resistor. A register and B register. So AS and BS are the two flip-flops which are used for storing the sign of the A register and sign of the B register. So BS will store the sign of the B register data and AS will store the sign of the A register data. So these two are the flip-flops. And for addition operation, for performing A plus B, we need a parallel adder. Parallel adder. So here a parallel adder, and next for subtraction, complementer. For subtraction, complementer, and here load sum. The output which we are going to get is S. Mode, M, mode control. So depending upon this value, M value, the addition or subtraction operation will be performed. And this is the input carry. And the output carry is stored in E flip-flop, and AVF, overflow flip-flop, that means add overflow flip-flop, AVF. This will hold the overflow bit when A and B are added. And here the addition operation A and B is done through the parallel adder, and S is the sum, output of the adder is applied to the input of A register, and the complementer will provide an output of B or the complement of B depending upon the mode control M, depending upon the state of the mode control M. The complementer here consists of the XOR gates, and a parallel adder will consist of the full adder circuit. So depending upon this M mode control value, mode signal is all applied to the input carry of the adder. So when M is equals to 0, the output of B is transferred to the adder. So input carry is 0 and output carry of the adder is equals to A plus B. And when M is equals to 1, the ones complement of B is applied to the adder. So the input carry is equals to 1. So output S is equals to A plus B bar plus 1, B complement plus 1. So this is nothing but A plus 2's complement of B, which is A minus B. So depending upon the mode control, add or subtract can be performed. Thank you.